Look, I get it. Times are tough. Maybe you're sitting at home right now, scrolling on your phone, wondering how you'll make ends meet. But trust me, you have more options than you think. I'm breaking down 10 easy ways you can start making extra cash, even if you're flat broke or unemployed. No fancy degrees, no nonsense, just real hustles that work right here in Mizansi. Hey there, and welcome back to Biz Chat SA, the place where we discuss everything business to help you reach your full potential. Number 1. Sell what you're not using. This is the fastest way to get cash in hand, and you probably have more to sell than you think. Start by going through your cupboards, garage, or even your phone for old clothes, shoes, electronics, or furniture you no longer need. Take clear photos with your phone. Good lighting helps. Then post your items on Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, or in local WhatsApp groups. Be honest about the condition, set a fair price, and always meet buyers in a safe, public place. You don't need any money to start, just your phone and a bit of hustle. Number 2, offer your cleaning skills. If you can clean, you can earn, even if you have no experience. All you need is some basic supplies: soap, cloths, a mop, and a bucket. Start by offering to clean for neighbors, family, or local businesses. Advertise your services in WhatsApp groups, at spaza shops, or by word of mouth. Be reliable, friendly, and do a great job. Your reputation will bring more clients. Number 3, start a meal service. If you can cook, you can make money, even from your own kitchen. Make simple, affordable meals like vetkoek, coda, or lunch plates. Use what you have: pots, pans, and your stove. Sell to construction workers, students, or office parks nearby. Let people know on WhatsApp, at taxi ranks, or by handing out flyers. Keep your prices fair, your food tasty, and your service friendly. Word spreads fast when the food is good. Number 4, tutoring. If you did well at school, you can help kids with maths, science, or English, even if you don't have a teaching degree. All you need is patience, a quiet space, and some old textbooks or a smartphone for research. Start with family, neighbors, or friends' children. Advertise your services at schools, churches, or on community notice boards. Charge a small fee and build your reputation with good results. Number 5, try delivery services. You don't need a car, just a bicycle, scooter, or even your own 2 feet. Sign up for Mr. D, Uber Eats, or offer to deliver groceries and parcels for local shops. Ask around your area. Many businesses need help. Be reliable, keep your phone charged, and always deliver with a smile. You'll build trust and get more jobs. Number 6, washing cars. This is a classic hustle that works anywhere, especially at busy places like taxi ranks or churches. All you need is a bucket, some soap, and a bit of energy. Offer to wash cars for taxi drivers, churchgoers, or people at local events. Charge a small fee, be friendly, and do a thorough job. If you're reliable, customers will come back and even tell their friends. Number 7, digital gigs. If you know how to type, design with Canva, or edit photos, you can earn online. Use free tools like Canva or your phone to create designs, type documents, or edit photos. Start by helping friends or local businesses. Then check out platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or South African Facebook groups for online jobs. You just need data and determination. Number 8, babysitting or elder care. Many parents and families need someone they trust to help out. You don't need special training, just patience, kindness, and a good reputation. Start with people you know and ask for referrals. Advertise at churches, schools, or in WhatsApp groups. Always be reliable and build trust. Word of mouth is powerful. Number 9, recycling. Collect cans, bottles, or scrap metal and sell them to recycling depots for quick cash. You just need a big bag or trolley and some time. Ask friends, neighbors, or local shops to save their recyclables for you. Find the nearest recycling depot and check what they pay for different items. It's hard work, but it's honest money and helps the environment. Number 10, run errands. Many people are too busy to do their own shopping, pay bills, or fetch things. Offer to do grocery shopping, pay accounts, or collect parcels for people in your area. You just need a phone and a bit of time. Advertise your services in WhatsApp groups or at local shops. Be trustworthy and punctual. People will pay for convenience. I know it's not easy, but the first step is the hardest. Pick one idea and start today. Stay consistent, give your best, and watch opportunities open up. You don't have to wait for a job to find you. Sometimes you create your own. Let's hustle, Mzansi. If you like this, please like this episode. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. It can really help someone right now.